It is very difficult to say what the whole thing involves, but one thing is very clear, that the CAG report has found out that the purpose for which this loan waiver was done, that has not been served. That has not been served. That means that probably the proper preparation was not there as to how it should actually work and whether it will work for the people, for the needy or for those who deserve, the eligibles, or it will go to the wrong people. So, I think that there was a little bit in program making itself, there was something obviously faulty, and something was later on lacking in implementation, because it means that there was no effort to find out who are the genuine needy people for whom it should go, because this benefit of waiver has gone to the people who otherwise were non eligible in this. That I think it is there is something a wrong step. It was probably done in some kind of a haste, and that has resulted into this. A lot of prior preparation is needed in this regard, because such a scheme for which you have a definite objective, and we should also really only be availed of by the people who deserve, the deserving, the needy, for whom it is really intended and meant that it should go to them. Yeah, it is rather unfortunate, and in the recent past, even in sometimes earlier also, the CAG has been really blamed or accused by the executive authorities, sometimes by the ministers, sometimes many other parliamentarians and other supporters of the parties, about his doing something which he is not supposed to do, but that means that he should not find a fault. But the one thing has to be understood, that the CAG does not find fault, it only holds a mirror as to what has happened, and it puts the government itself on the watch for self correction. Actually, CAG report, particularly the performance report, is an aid to the betterment of governance, the improvement in administration. So, any effort to try to denigrate, or sometimes I mean even to make a mockery of the institution of the CAG is something which I think is highly improper.